How to handle rude people. Yes, whether it's an insulting comment or a dismissive attitude, rudeness is pervasive in everyone. All too often we encounter these situations now and then, and this pervasive negativity disturbs us mentally also. It is a fact that you can't control someone else's behavior, but you don't want to be provoked by someone's ill-mannered attitude. So what do you do? At that time when we are confronted with such toxic behaviors, whether it's coming from a stranger, a coworker or a friend, or confronted by our own family member, here are some tried and true methods that we can use to effectively handle rude people. First and foremost thing to do is not to explode. Just take some deep breaths for 2 to 5 minutes and calm your mind. Yes, being a human, it takes tremendous effort to notice the reactions coming up on you by shouting at you when they are not in line with your words. Then it is quite natural that we explode in reality, but this is the first main thing, where you have to control your anger without exploding at, and instead of reacting, do calming exercise. Secondly, pretend as if you are an actor. Yes, what I am saying is true, because believe me, you're the person in the scene who is trying to manage to be above it all. See, you need not snap back at them, or raise your voice, or correct them with all the sarcasm you can do to muster with them. Yes, this may sound silly, but just for a second pretend that you're not in the presence of their drama, and pretend as if you are not triggered and annoyed by them, at least for a moment. Remember, by doing this it will bring a tremendous behavior change of the opponent. Third thing to remember is how we are differing from others' point of view. For this, keep in mind this only happens because of how we perceive things in our own way. Remember, your perception is not always aligned with reality, so always try to think in others' perspective, because we don't know what others are going through in their life, so try to be empathetic whenever required. And finally, if every effort of you fails, then give some time to them, because time will heal every wound.